Hello friends, let us discuss the last topic of Unit 1, that is the Earth Leakage Circuit Breaker. Myself, Professor N.H. Adkine, lecturer in Electrical Engineering, Government Polytechnic, Sakoli. Now what do you mean by ELCB? ELCB is nothing but the Earth Leakage Circuit Breaker, and it is a device used to directly detect the current leaking to Earth from an installation and cut the power. In order to find out the leakage current and in order to isolate the circuit, ELCB is generally used. There are two types of the ELCB available in the market: voltage earth leakage circuit breaker, voltage ELCB, and current earth leakage circuit breaker, that is current ELCB. Why we use the ELCB? The main purpose of the ELCB is order to protect the human being which is working on to that circuit or the equipment, as well as the animals whenever accidentally touch to the circuit. Let us see the cases. In the first case, the load is connected and the AC supply is given. When there is a little fault occurred in there, and thus body of the equipment is earth. In that case, whenever the human being is touched to this body of the equipment, human being will get protected as the whole current starts flowing through the low resistance path. But in the second case, no earthing is provided, earthing is not provided to the load, therefore the whole current starts flowing through the human body and human body will get electrical shock. Now let us see the construction and the working of the ELCB. Right? ELCB is having one toroidal type transformer. First coil, called as the primary coil, is wound onto one side of the transformer. Second coil, called as the secondary coil, is wound on the another side of the transformer, and another coil is called as the surge coil. This is the test switch is connected in between the phase or the primary and the secondary coil of the transformer, and the load is connected in between these two terminal, and this surge coil is connected to the trip coil, and this trip coil is connected to the this knob. Now see the working of the ELCB. Correct? The number of turns of the primary and the secondary coils are exactly same. Right? Exactly same. When the load is connected and this switch is open, what will happen? Current starts flowing through the primary coil. As the number of turns of the primary coil and the secondary coil is same, it will produces the magnetic flux in one direction, and the current is flowing through the load, and the same current is flowing through the secondary coil, which produces the magnetic field phi in another direction. These two magnetic flux are same and in opposite direction, therefore it will cancel out with each other. Therefore there is no net flux or the magnetic field which will induces the EMF in the such coil. Now if the earth fault is taken place, if the earth fault is taken place, what will happen? The current which is flowing through the primary coil, right? If suppose earth fault is taken place here, the primary current is same, is it will produces the flux phi which is produced by the previous case. But here what will happen? The current starts flowing through the load and some current starts flowing through the earthing wire, earth wire. Therefore the current which is flowing through the secondary coil of this toroidal type transformer is less. Suppose 10 ampere current is there, here it is only the 6 ampere current is flowing through this coil, therefore the flux which is flowing, flux which is produced by this coil is lesser, means this flux is phi 1, this flux is phi 2, the phi 2 is less than phi 1, correct? Phi 2 is less than phi1, therefore the net flux is flowing through this coil, through this core, net flux phi, that is phi1 minus phi2, right? This phi is nothing but how much? This is phi1 minus phi2. Net flux is there. This flux link with this search coil. This flux link with this search coil and induces an EMF E. Correct? That induces an EMF E. As soon as the EMF is induced, current starts flowing through the coil. Current starts flowing through the coil, and this is flowing through this strip coil, and it will produces the magnetic field. It will produces the magnetic field. It will produces the magnetic field. As soon as this plunger is placed in the magnetic field, it will act force to this plunger and it will open the contact. It will open the contact, and as soon as the contact is open, our circuit is isolated. Our circuit will get isolated, means our ELCB will trip and isolate the circuit due to this leakage or fault condition. Right? This is the same condition is explained in colorful manner. Right? This is the generalized operation of the ELCB. Thank you.